What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
All right. Y'all, it's a little chilly tonight. All right, so this is just a quick and easy spring kit. On the spring kit, I'm using a 14-inch grapevine. Y'all, let's start with our bow. All right, so there's about 10 feet of this pink ribbon. Y'all, I'm gonna start with about a, let's see, 16-inch tail here. What's up, y'all? Let's get ourselves about a 7-inch loop. Another 7-inch loop. Y'all, we're gonna do 4 of these. Y'all, another little tail out this way. Let's grab our neutral color. Just do a normal little 8-inch tail. Two loops. All right, then come back with the remaining of that pink. And we're gonna do one center loop. Just right in the center. All right, pipe cleaners. All right, getting these twisted off, tightened up. All right, so we're gonna pull that down nice and tight and then just twist your ribbon. So I wanted that neutral color to kind of break up the pink just a little bit. Got our bow. All right, now look, grapevine wreaths are never going to be perfectly circle, and if they are, it's very rare. So what I always try to do is find the one side that looks the worst. So like on this one, this looks nice and neat all the way around. And then there's like this one little skinny section right here. So y'all, I'm gonna use this little skinny section as the part that I decorate. So if we put all of our bows and sprays and all of that here, it covers up that wonky side. If you work those up from the bottom of your grapevine, open up your needle nose plier, your pipe cleaner will easily sit right in there, and then you just pull it on down. Pull it nice and tight, and then twist it off in the back. So we started with a 14-inch grapevine, but y'all, we're gonna use our sprays and our bow to make it look a lot bigger. Now look, you can rotate your bow on your grapevine so that your tails do whatever you want. All right, so let's start building this out now. So one thing that I like to do every time, y'all, is the bend the stem test, right? So take it at the highest point and just bend it backwards. And you can see that this stem easily breaks into 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. All right, so now we want to spread these out. Y'all, look how much better this looks whenever it's nice and spread out versus all clumped up together. All right, So this is the biggest piece. It's the longest piece. So I'm going to put this one closest to our bow. From here, we're going to glue this right in. Now look how much bigger the wreath already looks just from adding in the greens. All right, so y'all, we're going to add these greens in a triangle type pattern, right? So one this way, one down towards the bottom. Right? So I want to fill it out. Y'all, I'm going to save this last stem to see where I want to put it at. All right, so same thing. Bend it. This one I was actually able to just tear off. All right, so same thing. We're going to go out this way and out this way. So just working that little stem right into the grapevine. Y'all, whenever you do your wreath and you're looking at your stems, make sure all your leaves are facing the right way. All right, let's put one pointing towards the bottom. All right, now look, because this greenery is so realistic looking, it's easy to just pull a few pieces into your bow. All right, so that's what we have so far. Now the two greenery pieces that are left, I kind of want to get one up here. Above the bow, so it looks completely full. And this one, let me look at it. I think I want to come out down here to keep that green going. Right, so that the green tips are as long as the ribbon tails. All right, now look how pretty just our base is. Y'all, you could absolutely just stop here if you wanted to. But we don't want to, right? So this pink is really bright. So I want to bring in a lighter pink to kind of soften it just a little bit. So I've got these florals here. All right, let's spread our florals out just a little bit. Right, so the florals aren't heavy. There's not a lot. It's just a little bit to break up that bright, harsh color that we have going on here. So we're going to work these right in between what we already have going on. So I'm a glue as I go kind of person. If you are not comfortable yet, you don't have to glue as you go. You can put them all in, then try to glue them. Whenever I do that, I always end up missing one. So once I put it in, I glue it. All right, now look how pretty and how that just softened up that color just a little bit. All right, just like last time, I'm going to save the tip so we can add it at the end to see where we want it to go. Nice hand wrap floral so we can just pull them apart. So let's get this one fluffed out. Get them pushed in and glued down. All right, so let's look at it so we can see where we want just a little bit more pink. All right, so for me, I think it needs a little bit more pink up here and maybe a little bit right there. All right, so let's get some pink up here. Right, so y'all, we're just working in our triangle pattern like always. Y'all, that's why I like to save the 2 pieces for the very end, so you can kind of go back and look at it and see where something is missing. All right, get that piece glued in. Y'all, let's get our tails trimmed up just a little bit. So I'm going to dovetail them. Get a short one. Have this long one down here. Now, see this spot right here? I want to bring a little bit of some of this greenery somehow out of the front, right? So all you're going to do is reach into the greens and literally just wiggle some towards the front. Y'all, they're all wired. They're all wired. So move them around however you need them. So I want to put a few of these feathers in here. I don't know that we're going to need all of them, but why not? It's a fun, different texture, and it's just bright green and yellow. So I'm going to work these towards the back so you just kind of see the tips of them. Right, you want to add that different texture and color in there. Now, y'all, what you don't want to do is add these in where they look like a wart, right? Like way out here, just random. No. Whenever you add them in there, you want to work them in deep so you just see the tips. Okay? So y'all, these I'm just going to work in there at a little triangle pattern. All right. Now, don't forget to clean up the back where that pipe cleaner is from our bow. Look how pretty. So we started out with a little 14-inch wreath, and now it is a 24 by 24.